In this series, I aim to give you a quick introduction to some of the plant families found in the UK. Learning to identify plant families is a great help in identifying individual plant species you come across. Plants are classified into families based on characteristics that they share. So, the way to identify a plant's family is to know these characteristic features. Today we're going to look at the Grossulariaceae, or currant family. This is a family of perennial woody shrubs containing around 150 species. They're found across the temperate parts of the Northern Hemisphere and through the Andes mountain range in South America. The Grossulariaceae is comprised of one genus, Ribes. This includes species grown for their edible fruits, like Ribes uva-crispa, the gooseberry, Ribes rubrum, redcurrant, and Ribes nigrum, blackcurrant. Some are also used as ornamental plants, like Ribes sanguineum, the flowering currant, and Ribes speciosum, the Fuchsia-flowered Currant. There are only a handful of species found in the UK. These include Ribes rubrum, Ribes spicatum, downy currant, Ribes alpinum, the mountain currant, and Ribes uva-crispa. Species in the Grossulariaceae have actinomorphic flowers with 5 petals, 5 sepals, and 5 stamens, though Ribes speciosum has 4 of each. The sepals are longer and more conspicuous than the petals, and are joined to form a tube. The petals are separate, and both come in shades and combinations of green, yellow, pink and purple, though the majority of the UK species are greenish. The petals and stamens are fused at their bases to form a hypanthium, or floral cup, and the inferior ovary is beneath this. Although most of the female parts of the flowers are fused, the 2 stigmas remain separate. The flowers generally hang down from the stems and are pollinated by insects. The ovary ripens into a berry, with the remains of the flower still attached to its end. The berries are various colours, red, black, purple, green, and sometimes possess hairs. They're eaten by animals which disperse the seeds. The leaves of Grossulariaceae species are simple and arranged alternately on the stems. They are palmately lobed, with the veins also in a palmate pattern, and have toothed margins. The leaves are frequently hairy or have glands on them. So, if your plant has flowers with 5 petals, 5 sepals that are longer than the petals, the flowers are greenish or pink, and they have a hypanthium and 2 stigmas. If the fruit is a berry with a dried flower on the end, and the leaves are palmately lobed and hairy or glandular, then it's a good bet it's in the Grossulariaceae. See if you come across these 3 species on your travels. Ribes uva-crispa, the gooseberry, with greenish flowers, greenish yellow bristly berries, and spines at the base of the leaves. Ribes nigrum, blackcurrant, with greenish purple flowers, black berries, and an aromatic smell when rubbed. And Ribes sanguineum, flowering currant, a North American species with showy clusters of bright pink flowers and a distinct smell reminiscent of male cat.